We have been dealing with a lot of quick commerce companies and e-commerce companies, last mile delivery companies who require delivery bags, t-shirts and corporate other items of corporate uniform for their delivery partners. So these companies were going to different vendors for different products like bags to a different vendor, t-shirt to a different vendor, then rain gear to a different vendor. We got an understanding that if we are able to do all these things, we would be able to solve a problem for them as to a one-stop solution provider for all these things.
Since all these products have very similar process of manufacturing such as fabric cutting, stitching, printing, quality check and so on, it was very easy to integrate in a production unit, making us the one-stop solution for all our clients' need.
So we added other products to our categories and now we are currently doing bags, t-shirts, rain gear and other kind of things that they need on a regular basis and at a large scale. We are located in eastern part of India. I've seen a lot of companies struggle finding suppliers, manufacturers who are based out of east. So we come in there and fulfill that gap by being located in east. We are able to cater to all their requirements for the eastern region. Not only that, since we are located in rural location of West Bengal, the infrastructure cost that we have is better and cheaper, you can say, compared to other large metro cities like Bangalore, Hyderabad, Mumbai or Delhi. So we are able to do things at a much better competitive pricing. Hence, we have been able to make products in Calcutta and supply to different locations like Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Coimbatore, Pune, Maharashtra, Bombay, Thane, Ahmedabad, Surat, even Delhi, Jaipur, Lucknow. So we have been able to cater to all these locations manufacturing in Kolkata. This shows the price competitiveness that we have, that we are able to cover the logistic costs and yet provide a better competitive pricing for companies in products like delivery bags, food delivery bags, logistics delivery bags and other specific requirements wherein there is a lot of customization also required for also products like t-shirts, rain gears and all.
Since we have been dealing with large corporates for nearly a decade and having catering to their large orders, we have been able to build a very good relationship with our suppliers of raw materials. This gives us an advantage on being able to procure the raw materials at best prices, because of which we can manufacture and supply to our clients at a competitive price. And since we have been manufacturing in large volumes for so long, we have been able to cater to a large volume of orders in a very short span of time as per the requirements of the client.
We are working for a corporate who needs almost around 1.5 lakh pieces of bags on a monthly basis. And we are currently doing almost like 35,000 bags for them on a monthly basis. This showcases our competitiveness to a great extent that we are manufacturing bags and t-shirts for them at Kolkata and we are supplying to them at locations as far as Ahmedabad, Jaipur and Pune. So this goes on to show how competitive we are at manufacturing our products in the eastern part of India.
As we have been catering to companies who have pan-India presence and operations for over 8 years, this vintage has given us the network of transporters and logistic partners, and we are easily able to transport products to locations all across India, be it east, west, north or south, including northeast part of India as well. Therefore, we have been able to manage the logistics very efficiently and cost effectively in a time-bound manner.
I have an experience of around 13 years in banking. Having worked in the corporate sector for so long, it helps me understand the working style of the large clients that we are working for and understand the processes that they follow and they have to adhere to for purchase of these materials and all. So it helps me gel well with my clients and understand their pain points and give them solutions accordingly.
Our factory is located in Guma in North 24 Parganas of West Bengal. It is around 42 km from Kolkata. At Stalvan, women play an important role in the manufacturing journey. Most of them come from nearby villages. For them, having stable employment close to home make a real difference. When they earn, they support their families, educate their children, and get confidence not only in their families but society too.
As a company, we are focused on B2B business and we make customized products for our clients like t-shirts, jackets, rainwear, laptop bags, school bags, food delivery bags, logistic delivery bags, including insulated food delivery bags, and we have been making these bags as per the specifications and requirements of our clients.
We are currently working for companies like Zomato, Blinkit, Ginta, even Indian Railways, Lux, which is a innerwear brand. We have been working with these clients for long period of time now, and this long association with these clients goes on to show the kind of reliability they have developed on us, and we are very happy for their continuous business that they give to us. We are currently operating from a factory size of around 22,000 square feet, and we are rapidly expanding, and we are going to add another facility of 20,000 square feet very soon, which would make our factory total area size of to 42,000 square feet. This is keeping in mind the large order inquiries that we are getting from newer clients, and we need to build up capacity to be able to serve their orders.
With nearly a decade of experience in bag manufacturing, our team has consistently delivered custom design, durable and stylish products to clients across India. We specialize in OEM and white label manufacturing, catering to diverse needs ranging from corporate gifting to institutional supplies to retail-ready products. Our vision is to be recognized as a trusted national brand for high-quality, fashionable bags while promoting local manufacturing, ethical employment, and sustainable growth.
As an organization, we focus on creating safe and supporting environment.
We hope to become the most reliable and most known name for supplies of such products to these companies.
স্টেলভেন প্রাইভেট লিমিটেড, যেখানে ডিজাইন, কোয়ালিটি আর বিশ্বাস একসাথেই তৈরি হয়।